Good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to hop on and show you guys this breathtaking view. I'm in Ink State Park. And I don't know if you can hear, but the river is right down there. You can see parts of that. And it is just breathtaking. Well, I was trying to zoom in so you could see the water rushing. I really love the sound of water rushing. Well, if you ever get a chance, stop on down here to Inks State Park in Texas, down by Austin, Texas. This walk has been absolutely beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I will keep posting videos for you guys, things I think are interesting or that you would enjoy. Remember, take one day at a time and always look for the positive. Enjoy.